Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the battery health status on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro smartphone. In order to check it, you have to go to settings, and in settings select battery, then go to battery health, and here you will see the maximum capacity, which is basically the battery state, the health state of your battery. 100% means that your battery is perfectly healthy. If it goes, well, it will go down over time, of course, and the lower the percentage, the unhealthier your battery currently is. And the battery cycles are the full charging cycles of your battery that your phone went through during your usage time. And you can also simply check what it says beneath, which says that the battery is in good condition for now, and that's actually awesome. So, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.